Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. The Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords, Three of Wands, Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, Eight of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Karma or Judgment. Bottom card is the World. Okay. Tingnan muna natin signs and symbol cards. Medication, tide, and waiting shed. So, someone here is waiting. Maring may hinihintay kang tao na dumating, bumalik, from afar, from a distance, long distance situation. Teddy bear, traffic lights, and magnet. Okay. Ay, bottom card natin dito, nakalimutan ko. Open book. Ayan. So, ayun, open book. Maring person from the past na nag-walk away sa iyong buhay. For some of you, parang nakilala mo lang to sa social media and nawala siya. May pinili siyang iba. Parang pakiramdam mo, papunta na doon, next level, pero hindi nangyari. Parang almost relationship pero hindi natuloy. Kasi nawala siya. Parang may pinili siyang iba. Angel Therapy by Archangel Raphael. Give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take your burdens. So, mabigat to para sa'yo, no? Kasi parang nag-expect ka na papunta na doon. Magkakaroon na sana kayo ng relationship pero nagbago yung isip niya. Umalis siya, nag-walk away, hindi na nagpaalam to. I have multiple opportunities. So, maaari kasing isa sa mga priorities itong taong to is work, job, money. And it's a disaster. Pero nung nangyari yun, pinili niya is akala niya priority niya pero hindi naman siya naging masaya or doon sa taong pinili niya. You're so hot. You're so sweet and caring. Willing to take the risk. Can we talk? Kasi siguro inisip niya rin hindi mag-work out kasi there's a long distance situation, maaring magkaibang location or sa ibang bansa or malayon talaga. Crying over you, feeling lost. I hate my pride and ego. Pero pinagsisihan niya yun. Maling desisyon. No? I regret rejecting you. So, pinagsisisihan niya itong maling desisyon na to. Naghihintay siya ng right time. Kaso parang yung iba sa inyo kasi natali siya sa isang maling sitwasyon, maling tao, maling relationship, pwedeng marriage na pinagsisisihan niya. Parehas kayong in despair or in pain na undergo ng healing process. I hide behind material things. You speak to me through music. You and I were too young. I wish I could take back my words. So, may mga pinagsisisihan din siya na mga nasabi niya na hindi maganda sa'yo. We will be together again. I'm so attracted to you. I look for you everywhere. I want to be more than friends. So, siguro hindi naging kayo, parang hindi naging kayo, eh. Kumbaga, mas pinili niyo na maging magkaibigan. I want to feel that way again. Pero after no'n parang hindi na rin kayo nag-usap. Awkward na kasi ang sitwasyon, kasi parang may umamin, may nag-express ng feelings pero hindi inaccept. Kaya ayan, nagsisisi siya na ni-reject niya yung offer mo. Kuha tayo ng initials. H, A, P, W, N, U, F, B, letter M, E, O, letter G, bottom card. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. Past life lover. So, may mga past life connections. All strings attached. And celebration. Pero may chance pa naman to. Lalo na kung aayusin yung mga dapat ayusin. So, malaki pa yung chance nito eh. So, maaaring pagbigyan kayo ng universe dito at ipagse-celebrate nyo to parehas in the future. Kasi it's still open book and lalo na dito with this magnet and traffic lights. Ang hirap iwasan to, itong connection na to, mahirap iwasan to. Parang it's divinely guided for the both of you. And tingnan natin. General signs, messages natin. Skin tag, present lover. Weird, Gemini, twin flame, number 5, 6, overthinker, past person, beach, National Capital Region. So, maaari mag-meet kayo halfway sa NCR, lalo na kung long distance situation. Divine Feminine, soon, cute and chubby, confusing, funny, March, good heart, September, talented, Aquarius, sarcastic, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, confirmation na it's a long distance, 7, summer, killer smile, nature lover, Libra. Number 8, eye contact. Ayan, travel. December's creepy stalker and Sagittarius. Nasa ilalim bottom card is mirror. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.